Bus routes are now available through Campus Parent and Campus Student. To view your child's bus route in Campus Parent, log into your account. Select More from the menu and then select Transportation from the available options. AM and PM options will be shown for bus number, pickup or drop-off times, stop locations, and route numbers. Please contact the school office if your student will not be using the bus service or if an alternate pickup or drop-off site is requested. If your student wishes to use a different bus stop in your neighborhood, please call the main transportation number to be directed to the correct router. To contact transportation, please call 636-851-6220. Still need to set up your Campus Parent account? To create your account, visit the district or your school's website. Select Campus Portal under the scrolling banner. On the left-hand side of your screen, select Campus Parent Login. To register your new account, select New User located below the login boxes. Type in the 32-character activation key provided to you by your school and select Submit to verify the code. From this point, create a username that is at least 5 characters long and a password. The password should be at least 8 characters long and be alphanumeric. When finished, select Submit and then select Back to Login. Enter the username you just created and your password to log in. Enter a secure email address and re-enter your password. Select Save. You have now registered your Campus Parent account. Still need help? Log on to infinitecampus.com and select Parents or Students. Need further assistance? Contact the FHSD Help Desk by calling 636-851-4357 or emailing help.desk@fhsdschools.org.